Think of it as two interrelated but distinct streams of work. One of them is an R&D stream, where that essentially takes all of what Kathryn's been working on for more than 15 years and digs really deep into questions like what's really most important to people who are dealing with particular health challenges and want to be in a different place, and what triggers them to be motivated to create change. Because that's a really, really tricky question in the health domain, is how do you actually, what actually makes people motivated? If it's true, and we believe that it is, that lifestyle change is the most effective strategy for dealing with many of these chronic diseases, far more effective than most drugs, then what triggers people to be motivated enough to change the way they're living? So that's the kind of questions that the R&D program is going to digging into via training practitioners to be essentially health advocates who can then work with individuals to walk them through a process of figuring out where they actually do want to be that's different, and how then to get there, how to evaluate different treatments and the value of those different treatment options and lifestyle changes for them. And then what we're planning on is commercialising some of the results of that R&D. So coming up with, what we intend to be more mass market kind of products. So probably apps and training programs and this common data repository where people can store some of their de-identified data in a central repository and allow other people then to search on what has worked for other people who are like me.